Don't open it. Huh? Don't open it.
Shots. Do not
Shots?
step on that thing.
Shots are in there?
Yeah.
And what else?
Poop.
Poop?
Yeah.
And what else?
Blood.
Blood?
Yeah.
Is it gross?
Yeah, no, open it.
No, open it. What happens if you open it?
A shot.
You'll get a shot?
Yeah. Yeah, and no.
Do you like shots?
No.
Do you like taking your Medi?
No.
You don't?
No.
Why?
I think I good medicine.
Face.
Oh, you like good medicine?
I'm not
She's a
open
really
it.
big whiny face.
I'm not open it.
No, you're not open it.
I said whiny
Huh?
face.
It's poison.
No,
It's
no,
poison.
No, no,
Get away? Why? Oh,
no.
you want me to sit here?
Yeah, it.
You're not supposed to play on that. That's the doctor's.
But Mom, you have to copy me now.
Oh, we're going to play the copy game again? Yes. Do you want to play with us, Zeb?
No.
I think he wants to sit on